Hello dear friends. Through this video, I'll be discussing two questions which I have been hearing from my friends related to Indian stock market. The first question is related to the company which is in the process of making Covaxin, which is the vaccine for COVID-19. And the second question will be related to why Fibonacci analysis works in case of technical analysis of stocks. These are the two questions which I am trying to answer in this. So the first question is related to Covaxin. You all know that Covaxin is made by a company named Bharat Biotech. So Bharat Biotech is a company which is going to make Covaxin. It is still in the process. So second phase of trials are going on. And you all know that when the vaccine is released, definitely if Bharat Biotech is a listed company, the stock price will skyrocket. There's no doubt in it. Right. So if it's a listed company, definitely it's very useful if you have the stocks of Bharat Biotech. So naturally, people will like to see. Last 2-3 weeks, at least 5 people have talked to me about Bharat Biotech stock and why they are not able to buy it. Right. So I'll clear some air related to this Bharat Biotech and its stock. So let me search for Bharat Biotech share price. So Bharat Biotech share, if I search, what happens? Let me see the Google results. What happens? So you will come across something called Bharat Immuno share price. So I search for Bharat Biotech share price and I'm getting Bharat Immuno share price. So automatically someone who is new to share market will automatically feel that, okay, this Bharat Immuno is the same stock as Bharat Biotech. You will automatically see. See, one more thing. People also ask, what is the share price of Bharat Biotech? Automatically, you are getting a few share price. But if you see this, if you have an eye for detail, you will figure out that this price is not of Bharat Biotech. This is of Bharat Immuno. Is Bharat Immuno and Bharat Biotech same? So they are not answering that question also. All right. So let's figure out whether Bharat Immuno and Bharat Biotech are same. So let me search for Bharat Biotech. Bharat Biotech, the company named Bharat Biotech, which is actually making Covaxin. Bharat Biotech. I'm simply searching for it. You know that Covaxin is made by that. So what is the address? It is Bharat Biotech is a company. Bharat Biotech is a company which is located in Hyderabad. It's a company based on Hyderabad. So that is Bharat Biotech, and Bharat Biotech is working on Covaxin. Now let me search for Bharat Immunologicals. What is Bharat Immunologicals? Let's figure out whether both the companies are same or not. So Bharat Immunologicals and Biological Corporation. Let me search for it. Uh, Let me search for this company without the news. All right. So when I search for it, what it is owned by, it is a public sector company owned by Government of India, and it is actually located in Uttar Pradesh. So what do you conclude from this? Bharat Immunologicals and Bharat Biotech both are not the same. So Bharat Biotech, whichever is making Covaxin, is not a listed company. That means it is not a publicly traded company. You cannot buy the stocks of it. A normal investor cannot buy the stock of it because it is not a listed company. Bharat Immunological is listed, but it is not working on vaccine. So be very clear about this. Because if I search for the Bharat Immunologicals and by share price, let me search in Google. See, actually the ticker for Bharat Immunological is BIBCL. BIBCL. Let me search for it. The ticker is this BIBCL. So let's see the graph of this 5 days constantly stuck in a upper circuit. 1 month completely stuck in a upper circuit. Last 3 months graph, if you see, actually see, starting from July onwards, it had never come down. It was continuously going up. What will be the reason? See, one reason why a stock price can go up is profit. But this kind of a graph, because from the number of people who have talked to me about Bharat Immunologicals, thinking that it is a stock of Bharat Biotech is very high, especially the ones who have entered stock market of late. Many people, because these days many people are entering stock market thinking that all the share prices are down, but many people have mistook Bharat Immunologicals as a stock of Bharat Biotech. So Bharat Biotech is not listed. This is completely different. This price hike must be mostly related to this misunderstanding, or else this much hike would not have happened. According to me, there might be some other reasons, but when you check the profit margin of this stock also, it's good enough. But this kind of a graph is completely unbelievable, thinking that many people have talked to me about Bharat Immunological, thinking that it is Bharat Biotech. So that must be one huge reason why this price is going up. So don't waste your hard-earned money buying a stock thinking that it is of Bharat Biotech. So if you are confident about the fundamentals of this Bharat Immunologicals, no problem. You can go ahead buy that. Definitely you can buy that. No problem at all. Okay. Yeah. Now, the next question is related to why Fibonacci analysis works. Why Fibonacci analysis works. Very easy reason. You all know that in nature, many of the phenomena work on the basis of golden ratio. Correct. So the same applies to shares also. See, what is share market? Share market is a group of people trying to buy stocks, right? So it is a collection of people. What is people? People belongs to the nature, correct? So no one knows why golden ratio is valid in case of many spirals. In case of our DNA, within our DNA also a lot of measurements are based on it. No one knows, but we know that many phenomena in nature is based upon this. So stock market is also comprised of people who are part of nature. So you can tell that people start thinking at those particular points. There is strong resistance at a particular point, and when it starts coming down, you will understand the strong support price also at the next Fibonacci point. Fibonacci retracement happens because of that, because it is basically a mob, you can say. Public is part of the nature. It's a group of people, so it works the same way as nature. That is one explanation. One more explanation is these days many traders, many people who are in the stock market follow the Fibonacci retracement. So automatically what happens once it reaches a particular price, all those people who know about Fibonacci retracement will start selling. So it will start coming down. Again, once it reaches a lower price, all those people who are aware about Fibonacci, knowingly or unknowingly, due to that psychological factor, what happens? They will start buying it. So the price goes up again. That is one reason. Now many people are now aware of it. So these are two reasons which I can give for it. Nothing more than that. No one actually knows why this golden ratio works. But on the basis of how nature works, and in nature, how Fibonacci is applicable, the golden ratio is applicable, you can say this just because it's a group of people. Right, these are the two things I wanted to clear. So the conclusion is Bharat Biotech and Bharat Immunologicals is not the same. And one more company which is working on getting a vaccine in India is Zydus Cadila. Zydus Cadila is a listed company. You can get the stocks of it. You can see the fundamental analysis of that and decide whether to buy it or not. But that is a listed company. That's the conclusion. So hope you liked today's video. Make sure that you like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and share it with all my friends.